I've been with the company going on 3 years now.
A total of 3 years.
4.5 years.
I'm the executive chef for Wegmans Woodbridge in New Jersey, and I've been with the company for almost 9 years now. A typical day for me and as a chef, you come in the morning, you check your emails, you take notes for your huddle. We have huddles every day. We have 10 o'clock huddle and 3:30 huddle. And then you run the business. You work with everybody downstairs. You giving directions, teaching people, coaching people.
So here at Wegmans, I am a CMT, that's a culinary management trainee. So I am in a 2-year training program to train to become a sous chef. That is a department manager, someone who helps the executive chef run the kitchen.
At Wegmans, we have sushi, we have wagyu, which is Asian, we have pub, which is modern American, and we have the whole entire store as our pantry.
You can work in meat for a few weeks, few months. You can work in seafood. You can go work in sushi. In Wegmans, you can work in any department you so choose. The possibilities really with this company are endless, and they give you the tools. They ask you what you want to do. They ask you your goals.
First reaction that I get from my friends when I told them that I work for Wegmans is like, really?
I think most culinary professionals don't think of, a supermarket to really be a place of culinary and to really grow their career, and I don't think they really know the opportunities.
Prior to Wegmans, I worked in hotels and restaurants where I put so many hours, probably about 80 to 90 hours per week, where with Wegmans you work, as a salary manager, you work probably maximum of 50 hours per week. So I think, the difference is, going to a restaurant versus Wegmans is that work-life balance.
Coming from owning a restaurant, putting in 80, 100 hours a week, and then now, being able to actually focus on both life and work, it's a whole different world.
I gave up the daily restaurant grind to come to the store, and I wouldn't look back. You still have creative opportunity here, and you get to play with a lot of different unique ingredients, and not a lot of people on that daily grind of sweating on a hotline for 12 hours a day get to say that. We have our own organic farm that we're pulling produce from, creating recipes from the produce that's actually out on the produce floor. So it's a great time to be a part of this company, great time for culinary in this company. So a lot of opportunities.